It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, Christmas trees. I'm for big crochet. Hello and welcome back to my channel and Christmas in July. Today is Christmas trees. Let's take a look at these cuties. This is a very cute Christmas tree. Look at that. Look at the little baubles in there, and I love the 3D it's a bit of a chubby Christmas tree, I really like. And this poinsettia on top is absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a strange look at a Christmas tree, but it gives a top view. I don't know if we have any better. It's probably very difficult to photograph this one, but it has lovely ruffled branches, I would say. Also gorgeous ornaments. And let's take a look at another view. Can we zoom in? How cute are these ornaments? I mean, just for that, it's a great pattern. Oh, another close-up. I love the little bows on there, so cute. And the close-up of the bottom. Now, this is a very beautiful Christmas tree. I love the little beadwork in there, representing the baubles. Of course, these little borders represent the garland and has a beautiful star on top. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. The quality of this picture is not fantastic, but you get the idea. And you can make this any size you want, depending on the size of the yarn that you're using. I'm gonna make you nauseous doing this. I'm sorry. Very minimalistic Christmas trees. I love this style. I would love to make, you can make them small to hang in your own Christmas tree or give them as gifts away. So you can make them in one color and add some gorgeous beads. I think I have close-ups of all of these. So you can make them in one color and add all sorts of beads. I love how these beads are color coordinated with just 3 kinds of beads. You can go overboard with that, but it's you can see in the background here, one is made in solid red with small beads, small white beads, and bigger beads here, and white, of course, here in the back, if you look very carefully. But I also like the striped ones. You can choose your own color combination. Just don't go overboard with the amount of colors that you're using. Each one has 3. Here in the back as well, 3 different colors. And they only put beads on one of the colors. That is so cool. That's really cool. Here's a close-up of the solid one again. And of the striped ones. They make very, very fun. They make fun gifts, and you can fill up your whole tree with these gorgeous ones. Different kind of tree, nice and chunky. It's almost alive with this organic shape on it. Very, very nice. I really like the funky shape it has, and it has this beautiful ornament, big ornament here, and there's a close-up of the ribbon ornament. Now this one's cute too. First of all, it has legs. How cute is that? It's sort of, if we can see if we can zoom in a little bit. Let's take this one. It has legs. It's has a lace type of, so you probably just make one big lacy thing and then wrap it around something. Gorgeous big beads as the baubles, and on top it has this overhanging top, and it has a cute little bell on it. It's an adorable Christmas tree. I love the fact that it has legs. Anything with legs that you wouldn't expect to have legs is a win in my book. Look at this cutie pie. How sweet it is. It's such a sweet little Christmas tree. It has its own little scarf. It's almost like a hat it's wearing. It's super cute. It's very kawaii amigurumi type of ornament here. Very cute. Dinagurumi is an awesome designer. Also made this Christmas tree. Gorgeous baubles. Can we zoom in on this a little bit further? Yeah, the image is not very great, but you get the idea. Candy canes, baubles, big eyes, a nice fluffy garland in there, or a snow accent, whatever you want to call it, and a beautiful star topper. It really doesn't get any more Christmassy than this. Ah, there's another close-up. I love these baubles. They're very cute. Now this is the back. The back is also beautifully decorated, and the side. I love that it comes with this stand, sort of makes it easier to stand up. Now, very cute, completely different type of, it's a flat design, so you make the front and the back and then you crochet them together with some stuffing in between. Very easy to make. You probably have to count very well though. Little kawaii smile here, and very colorful, simple, very colorful and simple ornaments. Now this one is colorful as well. Different segments make up the Christmas tree, so you can make it as big or as colorful as you want. Of course, you can also just make it in green or in another solid color with some different bauble type ornaments in it, but the idea is very awesome. Now here's 3 of them, and the green one separately and this one separately. So I'll be back tomorrow with more Christmas in July. Happy crocheting!